Today we are going to teach you how to update the firmware of the Crane 3 Lab gimbal. First, turn on the stabilizer. Press the menu button and select About to check the firmware version. Update the firmware if it's not the latest version. Step 1. Connect your phone to the stabilizer via Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone. Open ZY Play, click Connect to Device, and then select the right Bluetooth name to pair with. Step 2. Download the firmware. After connecting to the stabilizer, ZY Play will automatically search for the latest firmware. Tap the firmware notification and tap Start Download. Tap Upgrade Now. A prompt will remind you to connect your phone to Wi-Fi. Connect your phone to Wi-Fi of the stabilizer with the initial password 123456778. Step 3. Update the firmware. Click Upgrade Now on the ZY Play app. The firmware will start uploading to the stabilizer. Stay on this page. Don't leave the page during the upgrade or else it will fail. After the upload, the stabilizer screen will show Upgrade. When the upgrade is finished, the stabilizer will automatically turn itself off. Turn on the stabilizer and check the firmware version again. If the firmware upgrade fails, please restart the stabilizer and repeat the previous steps. For more tutorials about Zhiyun gimbals, please click the icon in the bottom right corner of the ZY Play app. Tap Tutorial to find tutorials about Zhiyun stabilizers and accessories. That's all. Thanks for watching.